What's up, man? I know y'all probably wondering where the fuck I've been. Listen, there's none of y'all damn business. But listen, we back at y'all with a special video. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to install that FRT trigger into y'all Glocks, man. As y'all can see, got one installed in my Glock 17 Gen 5. Boom. Boom. Now, I'm about to show y'all how to break it down because I already got it installed. I'm gonna break it down and I'm gonna show y'all how to reinstall it if you never installed one before. If y'all a rookie, I'm about to show y'all how to take off your slide. Listen, you wanna make sure your gun clear? Clear. You wanna, boom, pull these two slides down, pull it back a little bit, release it, comes right off. Just like that. You wanna sit this to the side. I don't know if my camera focused, but this right here and this right here, you want to take these two things off. So what y'all want to do is get you something small. I use this because I don't got nothing small enough to push this out. But boom, I push this one out first. The one in the back, I push that out first. Then you want to sit it to the side somewhere safe where you don't lose it, because if you lose it, then you're gonna be assed out. I push this one out first. Then I'm gonna push this one out right here second. Sit that to the side so you don't lose it. This right here is the trip. This is what make it force reset. You know what I'm saying? This is important, so put that to the side. What you want to do is you want to take this out. Want to pull this up, and it's come right up. Now everything is out. Alright, so look. You got your stock trigger on. What you want to do is, I got my stock trigger right here just to show you an example. You got your stock trigger on, what you want to do is, right, it's going to have a hole in your trigger. It's already going to have a hole that comes in your trigger, but the other side is going to be closed off. So what you're going to have to do is, you're going to have to push that side that got the hole in, you're going to have to push it in until it make a dent on the other side. So once that dent come on the other side, you want to get something that's pointy and poke a hole where the dent is so you can push it back through and then come out like the stock hole, it'll come out on the other side. Once you do that, you pull it right off of your trigger housing. Boom, you'll be good with that. And then it'll look like this. So once you get it like this, I don't got no video to show you how to do it, so I'm just gonna explain it. But once you get it like this, right, you wanna grab your FRT trigger, slide that bad boy on there, boom, just like this. Your FRT should come with a little piece like this. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if the camera focused, but it should come with a little piece like this for the trigger to connect it. So once you put that up there, I'm gonna slide that bad boy on. As y'all can see, I'm pulling it. It's not coming off, so it means it's connected. Then, first step of putting it back together, well, the second step, technically, you want to drop this bad boy right back in here, just like this. You want to drop this back in. I'm gonna drop that bad boy back in like that. Boom. Now that's the second step. Now for the third step, well, I forgot to tell you, if it's a Gen 5, you want to take your slide lock off. You can't have a slide lock because it's not going to fit. So you want to take your slide lock off too. And it'll still function without the slide lock. Your slide just won't stay back once it's empty. And you want to throw this back in right here, right? Throw that back in. Then you want to get your trip. I forgot to tell you, it comes with two trips. Once you get your FRT, it comes with a trip like this. It comes with the rounded trip and it comes with the sharp trip. They both look like this. This is the sharp tip and this is the rounded trip. But I'm running the sharp trip. It's preferably whatever you want to do. Either or, they both work. What else do I gotta tell you? Alright, so yeah. You want to drop it in like this. Like this way. So you put it in like this. You want to match it up through the hole right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you want to match it up through the hole. Boom. You want to pull your trigger down so the hole and your trigger can match up to the hole that's right here. And you want to drop your FRT in. Boom, just like this. You want to drop it in. Make sure the holes match up. If the holes match up, you want to grab this, the one I told y'all to take out, and slide it right back through. And just like that, it's connected now. So once you're done with that, right, you want to throw the one that's in the back. You want to throw that one back in. This one right here, you want to throw the smaller one back in. Boom, throw it back in. This is gonna be a quick video, bro, because it's really like a quick install. I'm not gonna waste your time. I just want to get to it and show y'all what to do. Grab your slide, throw your slide back on. Now your FRT is installed. Then you want to test it. Cock it. You see it's cock. Pull the trigger. Resets. And just like that, you got your FRT trigger installed.